Okay, so this is my little drawing area with the little lights on the side there, and then I have this little stand where I have my camera to record all my drawing videos, and my little chair to sit while I'm drawing. And then I have all my colored pencils here, and so what I'm going to do is I bought these little containers here from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to take all my colored pencils and put them in these so that they're all nice and organized into each color. So I got 2 of these, and they divide into, well, for the pencils they divide into 6 for each, so that'll be 12. So okay, so now I've got them all organized here. So I got is the perfect amount too, because it just fit just enough for all the different colors how I separated them. Pretty neat. And I put my little end erasers in here, and then my sharpener, my big eraser. And they fit about perfect, so I'm pretty happy with these. And it's a lot better than having them in those little bags where they're all mixed together. And I like these because the lid closes on them, and if I decide to use them for something else, I can take these little dividers out and rearrange it. So I'm really glad I got these. The only thing I'm sort of disappointed in is this one here has cracks. I don't know if you can see that or not. In the corners there, down here. I didn't really realize that, but it's not too big of a deal. And I like these where they close like this, so that I can take them and store them somewhere and not have to worry about them, spilling everywhere or something getting spilt on them or whatever. So I got all of those organized now, so that'll be a lot better, and it won't take me near as long to find the colored pencils that I'm looking for. Okay, so for my artwork, how I store most of it is I have this little binder here, and that's a drawing of me when I was little that my dad drew. But I have this little binder here, and pretty much all my artwork now is just on regular cardstock that's 8.5 by 11, so it fits perfectly in these little plastic sleeves that go in the binder. So sort of makes like a little portfolio type, and it protects them. So I just put most of those in here, most of my more recent ones. That's probably how I'll have, and I still got quite a bit of sleeves and stuff, but that's how I store pretty much all my artwork that I do now. But a lot of my artwork that I've done in the past, or some of my least favorite ones, like here's some of the ones when I was real little, I just have in these little folders, all these little folders here. I got a bunch of ones from when I was little, and some more there. And then I also have this other binder, and it doesn't have the single sleeves, but it has like these big pocket type deals where I put some of my other drawings. Those are the ones that are my least favorite, or that I've done like when I was little. But this one here is for my most recent ones, my favorite ones. Okay, so for my artwork that is too big to fit in that binder, I have these little folders that I actually made while I was in high school, but they're just like 2 pieces of poster board, and then you put tape on the sides, or it's one big piece that you fold at the bottom right here and then tape the sides, however you want to do it. but then it makes it like a little folder deal like that, so you can put your artwork and stuff in there. So that helps for the bigger projects. And then some of my bigger ones that are my favorite ones that are bigger, I have framed. I used to have them up on the wall, but I ran out of room of places to put stuff, so now they just sit in my closet. But this one's one of my favorite ones. I did that my senior year of high school. But yeah, so that's how I store all my artwork, and thank you guys for watching.